talk about the 2020 Dodge Challenger V6. Some of the mods that I've done. So far, I put on, as you can see by the hat, the Borla exhaust, and it really does sound really good. It doesn't give you that V8 growl, but it definitely gives you like a road presence. So definitely want to check that out. We put a racing stripe on the car so far. You can see blacked out the rims here. Put a blacked out fuel, came with chrome before. And then also, of course, the sound. So let me do a quick startup for you guys. Definitely, it sounds amazing, guys. I definitely recommend getting the Borla exhaust system. If you're hesitant about it, I know it's a good chunk of change, but it does really pay off, and it makes it even more fun to drive for sure. Lights that I updated, so I did update these lights with my axle, like the axle lights. The bumper is really good. On the other side, I did upgrade these as well, so they're also from the same company. With the smoked out lens, and also the side markers for the front is also changed as well. Just to put your own little flair to it, I did put blue valve stems, cap covers. That's also pretty good. So I definitely, recommend just making the Challenger your own. Just making it more personal, makes it more fun. Definitely, if you plan to do a little bit more mods, like installing air filter intake. So when I get to that, I'll let you guys know how that goes. So as you can see, these are the updated lights, guys. It came out really good. Subscribe for more content. I'll kind of work more on the Challenger and do more mods, and I'll tell you how it goes. My next projects include even changing out the hood and maybe getting maybe the upper trim hoods. Just make it fun, make it your own, and just having a good time. Thank you guys.